Hi everyone! A brand new Toyota LC250 Prado for phase 1 build. We'll start with the horn. We upgrade the horn to Mitsuba Dulce 3 electronic horn. We'll do a sound check on the horn right now. You can also install switch to prolong the sound wave of the horn. Okay. Next, we installed for the tint on this unit, we're using the BF Stone series. The 90% heat rejection. The client choose the medium on the front, side to the back, super dark. And also, we installed Hypotec matting, complete 3-row, and the cargo tray. And 70 mi dash cam. We're installing the front and rear recording dash cam. I did not install yet because the tint is just newly installed and it's still wet. So this will install after the tint is fully cured. Lastly, on this unit, we're using the 22-inch Vossen flow-form wheels. This is the HF 6.4 in gloss black color. Wrapped in Nitto Rich Grappler tires because the client wants that masculine look on his vehicle. See the stands. This is the client request. Here, I'm here. Also, I suggest the client for his phase 2 build to replace the stock brake to big brake kit. He can use the Alcon or the Brembo, all original. And also, cold air intake, exhaust system, JDM grill for his next build. Okay, if you like how we built here, simplicity is the best, guys. Feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. No to fake wheels, guys. See you here. Bye!